magta-tablet po ako po. Kaya po, tara, laro po tayo. Pero first, joke lang, maglaro talaga tayo. Yay! Ano kaya laruin ko? Siyempre, Mega World. Ito po ako. So, yan po ako. Maraming character. Pwede po kayo. Alam mo bang kung paano? Ito. Pagka-press mo. Yan. Tapos yung mag-change. Kaya yun. Maraming dito. Ito. Example. Tapos may Chinese damit po ako. Yan, 1, 2, 3, 4. Siyempre, yung ipat meron. Ay! Nagulog! Ay! Yan po. Meron po akong dito upuan. Tapos may vacuum. Okay. Dito yung washing machine ko. Hindi po ako makagawa ng washing machine. Tapos po tara. Hello guys! Tapos po magbi-video po. Magluluto tayo. 3, 2, 1, go! Sorry po, yung pinsan ko lang po kasi yun eh.
Wait lang, bayram mo na ako. Massaging.
Tara.
Massaging po sa'yo.
Ano gusto ko? Ito. Siyempre dapat nag-iipin tayo. Yan. Ayun nga pala. Kalimutan ko pala. Baka luto na. Ang init yan. Yan. Tapos po, maliligo po tayo, ha? Okay. And tapos hintayin natin. Para pag magkukuha ako ng gamit. Tapos meron akong toys. Dapat nga may upuan dito. Wait lang, gagawa lang po ako ng ito. Okay na, para pag maglalaro ako. Ay, mali. Ay, sorry po nagkukulo. Yan. Kokiwa. Nancha, kuwaya, na. Gagawa lang po ako ng TV na. Paano naman gumawa? Sorry, mali. So, una, ito. Ay, wag pala to. Ay, wala pa po. Siyempre, kukuha ko ng ano. Ng mangga. Ay, siyempre, kanya akong pillow. Napupunta pala sa lapag eh. Wait lang, napin ko lang. Ayun. Di po kasi siya umano. Ano pa kaya? Gusto kong ang ganda nito, pero hindi ko na kasi pili eh.
Kaya,
Ano? Maraming diba? Paano kaya magtinda ako? Wag na lang pala. Wala na nga kaya akong space. Ito naman. Alam ko na. Ay, wag to.
saan ka matutul kaya?
Taas. Yes.
Ano sinabi ni Raiden kagabi?
Kasi raw, uy, Kyra, doon ko na lang sa taas ha. Ano, ako lang kasi matutulog mag-isa eh. Sabi ko, doon naman talaga ako sa taas ha. Yan, dito po. Pero, ano pa kaya meron? At ano bang next?
Emma! Kaya!
Galing ah.
Kailangan ko nga mag-ticket.
Tape, lagyan mo. I want to sample na. Ano ba yung bawal naman rin? Lagyan ko naman ng design ng clock. Dito na. Itong picture na ito. Flowers. Malit lang naman yun eh. Tapos dito pa mga pinks. Okay na. Para pag maglaro. Doon sa kwarto niya. Ay, may sa kwarto ni Lolo May. Nanood na nga lang ako TV. Alam ko na. Mag-vacuum na lang ako.
Kaya. Tugo na natin. Kaya. Tingnan mo. Kaya.
Pagod na ako nun ah. Magka-coffee na lang ako. Pati naman rin ang bathroom. Ay, sorry po nag-leave. Sorry po ba? Nag-glitch po kasi itong pong tablet. Sorry po. Sorry po. Sorry po talaga. Sa video ko. Hala, oo nga pa na yung washing machine ko. Tapos na.
I will make you dream and all the fun of it.
Maghintay na nga lang ako ng gabi.
Ay, boy ka ba?
Ano? Minutes later. Ang tagal na. Yes, buti gabi na. Into the light. Ay! Kita naman kasabot. Ayan, buti naman bukos.
Buti na lang.
Suotin ko na nga yung pijama ko. Ay, ano pala wawash yung machine ko to. Bye-bye po, tapos na po. Pero parang gusto nyo manood, kaya nanonood tayo. Let's go!
Dame un grr.
¿Un qué?
Un grr.
¿Un qué?
Dame un tu ta ta tu ta tu.
Ok.
Dame un grr.
¿Un qué? ¿Un qué? ¿Un qué?
Dame un grr. This girl filled her water cup with Coke instead of Sprite, and this happened. Anything else for you tonight? Can I just have this cup for water?
That's not water.
This girl filled her water cup with Coke instead of Sprite, and this happened. Anything else for you tonight? I think I'm a little bloated today. Just
While this kid was sleeping, this man secretly cut a little bit of his hair and used it to create a brush. Then with the help of strainer, the brush was neatly shaped. After that, she applied some powder to the tablet. Then take the kid's fingerprints off the tape. This fingerprint then printed with clay and glue, and the result is used to unlock the tablet easily. While this kid was sleeping, this man secretly cut a little bit of his hair and used it to create a brush.
Sorry po, nag-stop po kasi po. Inutusan lang po. Okay na tayo.
Meron ka bang the one that got away? Meron naman. Sweet! Sino?
kilala ka ba?
Para sa sweet bonding moments, enjoy the refreshing sweet flavors of San Miguel flavor.
This poor grandma waited until boys left and rushed to eat leftover food. But when they noticed, they laughed at her and came back to tease her. Like she did something horrible. They stopped her from eating and snatched the food plate. She begged them to give it back to her and couldn't stop crying. But they quickly returned with a fresh meal for grandma so that she could stay warm. And if you'd do the same, share. This poor grandma waited until boys left.
Anong meals ang para sa matangkad? Ano? Edi, gataas! Ang milk naman ang iniinom pag shy. Ano? Edi, tapini! Pero, anong gatas ang pinakamasayang na lang yung fruit flavors? Ano? Edi, Del Monte Mystery! Yummy! Pero strawberry, orange, mango, apple, yogurt, and blueberry flavor!
Sketchbook check. Find a picture that you think that is absolutely adorable. Next, find one that you took a lot of time on. Now show off your most recent. And now,
Look, this silver coin is very valuable. To hide it, this guy first puts it inside an orange. To make sure no one accidentally eats the orange, he places it inside an egg and seals it with cement. Then he colors the egg so no one suspects anything. After that, to make sure no one eats the egg either, he hides it inside an apple and colors it. Finally, he buries the apple inside his house. Now, no one will be able to steal it. Look, this silver coin is very valuable. To hide it, this guy first puts it inside an orange. To make sure no one accidentally eats the orange, he places it inside an egg and seals it with cement. Then he colors the egg so no one suspects anything. After that, to make sure no one eats the egg either, he hides it inside an apple and colors it. Finally, he buries the apple inside his house. Now, no one will be able to steal it. Look, this silver coin is very valuable. To hide it, this guy first...
One chop here, like knock it down. I'll do it again. Oh no! This app is working. You should try it. One chop here, like knock it down. I'll do it again.
Okay, bye-bye po. Tuloy na naman po kayo. Bye-bye.